Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a file in GitHub repository. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is head on over to github.com and sign into your account. Once we're here, click onto repositories and now find that repository that you would like to delete a file in. So I'm going to use this repository for this demonstration. Now, once I'm inside the repository, I'm going to simply click onto the file, or if it's inside a folder, go ahead and click on that folder and then click that file inside of that folder. So say for example, I want to delete the robots.txt file inside of my public folder. I'm going to click onto it and now you can see the code here, and now on the far right under your user profile we've got 3 dots here and this says more file actions. This is where we can delete the file. So click on the 3 dots, click onto delete file, and then from here we need to click on the big green commit changes, and that's going to click on commit changes again, and that's going to delete it. So there we go, and then after that should say file successfully deleted.